Did you know you could actually recreate viral UGC videos for your dropshipping business without having to hire a videographer, an actor, or a video editor, and even without having to show your face to the camera? That's right. TopView AI allows you to do just that. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this by yourself. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit TopView AI. The link is in this video's description. Go there and click it. All right. After clicking the link and visiting the site, you are going to sign in or sign up, and then you click the dashboard button. Once you click the dashboard button, you are going to be brought up to this page. So here you are going to scroll down and select the viral video agent right here. This is it here. So you click it and wait for it to load. And right here is where all the magic is going to be done. So the first thing you need to upload is your reference video, which is the video you want to replicate. So I got mine from TikTok right here. I just searched UGC drinks and I downloaded this particular video because I liked it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and upload the video right now by clicking this reference video button. Now, the next thing is to upload my product's images, and I'm going to do that by clicking this add image and link button right here. So here you can click any of these boxes here, these plus icons, and upload the product's images that you have. Now, the best part of this is that you can import images from your Shopify store or Amazon or eBay or any other store that is supported right here. So instead of me to upload this, I'm going to demonstrate this feature by importing the images from here. Okay, I actually want to create a video for Prime hydration drink. You all know Prime by KSI and the other guy. Yeah, so I'm just going to copy this link and come back to TopView AI right here, and then I'm going to paste it and click import. The images have been imported. Now all you need to do is to select the ones that you like. You can only select a maximum of 6 images. Okay, I'm going to deselect this one because I don't want it to be in my video actually. So all I need to do is scroll down and click apply. Now the next step is to choose the aspect ratio. Do you want it to be a TikTok format, which is 9:16, or a normal YouTube video format, which is 16:9? I prefer the TikTok format, so I'm going to select this and then hit this button, this arrow here. This is the next stage. Now, before you click this confirm button, make sure you go through everything right here and make sure they are right for you. Okay, make sure the options selected are right for your product, or you select the ones that are right for your products by yourself. Okay, now the most important part is this video script language. Make sure you select English if you are creating for an audience that speaks English. But if it's for an audience that speaks another language, you select the language right here. Okay, so you click this confirm button and you wait for it to do its magic. Now this is the last part. Make sure to click this, okay, unless the video will not be generated. The video is done. So what I'm going to do right now is to download the video by clicking this download button right here, and I'm going to play it side by side with the video that I downloaded from TikTok, the video I tried to recreate. All right, let's go. This doesn't even look AI generated. If I saw this video on TikTok, I wouldn't know. So you see how powerful this tool is. If you want to access it, the link to this tool is in the video description. And also, it's November right now and they are currently running a Black Friday offer. So if you sign up right now, you're going to be getting a massive discount on their premium offer. Also, there are several other features available on TopView for you to use, like this avatar 4 that creates lifelike talking avatars from a photo and script for you. Okay, and then the product avatar. This one creates an avatar interacting with your product using one image. Okay, and there are other tools here products, any shoots, avatar marketing video, video avatar, character swap too. With this character swap, you can naturally replace anyone in a video or a photo with your own custom character. So you can use it for your marketing videos too. So this top view AI is so powerful. So powerful, all right? So I encourage you to check it out right now. The link is in the description. I'm going to see you in the next video.